start. Everyone knows how important exercise is, but do people really know how important it truly is? My main claim is that exercising is a preventative medicine, and a conducted study done by Sarah Marshall from MyFitCA say that more than 60% of adults don't get the required amount of regular physical activity, whereas 25% of all adults are not even active. 50% of young people aged 12 through 21 are not vigorously active on a regular basis, and only 19% of high school students are physically active for 20 minutes or more in physical education classes each and every day. Exercise can truly improve your life. Who wants to feel better, have more energy, and maybe even live longer? Well, exercise is the thing for you. So there are 6 benefits of regular physical activity, says the Mile Foundation for Medical Education and Research, which is the foundation of MSMER. First, exercise improves your mood. Physical activity stimulates various brain chemicals that can leave you feeling happier and even more relaxed. Exercising can boost your confidence and improve your self-esteem to helping you look and feel a whole lot better. It is also known to be preventative medicine of depression as well. Second, exercise helps you manage your weight. Trading some couch time for another physical activity will definitely burn calories more than just watching TV. When engaging in physical activity, one burns calories. There isn't even a need to really set aside time to exercise. Just by taking the stairs instead of the elevator helps burn calories too, or even walking around at lunchtime or doing things with friends can burn calories as well. Exercise is also known to combat chronic diseases. Regular physical activity can help you prevent high blood pressure. Physical activity boosts high-density lipoprotein, which is known as HDL, which is good cholesterol, during the decreasing of triglycerides. This keeps your blood flowing smoothly by reducing plaque on arteries, which we all know is not good for your health. Exercise also boosts your energy level. Exercising delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissue, as well as helps your cardiovascular system. The Mayo Clinic also says that when your heart and lungs work more efficiently, you'll have energy to do things that make you even more happy and enjoy life more. It also promotes better sleep. Putting physical activity in your day will enable you to sleep better. A good night's sleep can improve concentration, productivity, and mood. It is known that you should exercise in the morning because if you exercise right before you go to sleep, that you might be too energized to actually fall asleep, and it makes you fall into a deeper sleep, so the next day will be a lot better for you. And exercising is also known to be fun as well. It doesn't always have to be a downer. You can make it fun by doing something you enjoy. Any type of moving counts and will burn calories. Even by taking classes at the gym, there's yoga, Pilates, dancing classes, or even hiking with friends, or just hanging out, playing football. And then Michael Greaves also says that the brain releases endorphins that cause a sense of well-being. These endorphins are known as the runner's high. He also states that by getting your heart rate up when exercising, it can increase your metabolism, which means you can eat more in order to keep your energy up and still maintain your weight or even lose weight. Another benefit of exercising is that it can be a form of meditation as well. Some techniques require more controlled thoughts. Pilates and yoga, which are mind-body programs, make it so a person has to focus on controlling their body with precise movements that are designed to lengthen and strengthen one's muscles. This can create an acute awareness of the body and its movements. So next time you guys are bored and just chilling on the couch or whatever, just think about exercising and how much it will improve your life.
All right, well, you state the claim, but I'm not sure what the argument is. This is going to be one of those speeches where the refutation speaker is going to stand up and say, so I'm supposed to say that exercise doesn't have any benefits? Now, how do I do that? Because there's no controversy on this argument. I think that you've got a nice layout of the benefits of exercise, but you haven't really found anything that's controversial on most of those points. The closest I see to anything that might be a little bit controversial is that there might be some, meditative benefit from exercising. Nobody's disputing that exercise is going to increase your metabolism, or that it's going to help you maintain your diet or improve your health. So there's no controversy on that point. You've structured the speech basically around the list of benefits that is presented by the one authoritative group that you present. I didn't catch the citation originally. Later on it sounded like you were saying it is the Mayo Clinic, I assume that's the Mayo Clinic, that suggested these 6 benefits. If you're going to use that as your only proof, then I think you ought to spend a little bit more time justifying that as an authority, because outside of one quote later on about the endorphins and the metabolism, everything comes from that one particular article, and it's all their conclusion. So it's entirely authority that you're asking us to believe on this. And again, I'm not sure that anybody's going to doubt that. It's not like it's controversial material, and that's the big problem with the presentation. You need to look up a little bit more when you're talking to the audience. The only other source citation that I got was Greaves in talking about endorphins and metabolism. And again, I appreciate the source citation on that particular point. And again, it sounds like it's a fact, but what inference are we drawing from that fact? It doesn't really go beyond things that we already know to be true. So that's a complication. I would think that the main response that the respondent is going to be giving is that there are problems with this being an argument, as opposed to there's something wrong with what you said, because I'm not exactly sure there's any controversy on what you said. All right, thank you.